guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today we're going to make something very easy and always super nice, al bacio. I'm going to make today a digestive liquor, very cool and easy to do, and I'll show you what we need. I'm going to make the pomegranate digestive liquor. 3 all medium pomegranate. We need pure alcohol. Pure alcohol 96%. If you don't find this anywhere, you can use the vodka, the plain one, the pure one. Always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel and check out our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Now try to find a nice jar like this and we gonna put all pomegranate inside. Take your time. Nice, okay? This guys is absolutely delicious. Now what we're gonna do, add your half liter pure alcohol. Give a mix. Close it. And now guys, this one going in room temperature in the dark. Storage somewhere where it's not gonna annoy you. And I'm gonna leave this 25-30 days, okay? And sometime just go there, mix and leave, okay? See you in 25-30 days. Ciao! Guys, after 40 days, my pomegranate, I think they died. I like they're gonna be inside like that. The smell is absolutely stunning. We're gonna make the syrup. I'm gonna use 750 ml of water and 500 grams of sugar. Inside. Turn it on. Boil just gentle, a little bit. Sugar inside. Mix. Okay guys, you see? The sugar is completely dissolved inside. Start boiling a little bit and this is the time to turn it off. And now we're gonna wait this completely cool down, maybe in 2-3 hours, and we're gonna mix the alcohol, pomegranate alcohol. We gonna storage for another 30 days, okay? Okay guys, after, I don't know, a few hours, my syrup is completely cooled down. One of these, very thin, we're gonna pour inside the alcohol, everything. I will try to squeeze as well. I will do this. I have one of these. I squeeze them, okay? Do this and later I'm gonna show you the next. Okay guys, I squeeze everything. Now, stirring very well. Now go again in the jar. Now guys, this one going again in the dark at least 15 days, but I'm gonna leave him 30. It's absolutely nice, beautiful. Guys, the pomegranate digestive liquor is ready. It's another 30 days and now it's ready to drink. But I have to put now in some bottles and storage. What I do, the last step I'm doing, I try to strain again. If something is left, well, the color and the smell is amazing. Look at that. Look at that, guys. I'm so proud. Oh, the color is so nice. I want to show you just the color. Look, guys. Amazing. Very, very nice. Okay, guys, this is what I had. My beautiful digestive. And now we're gonna try. One for my camera woman and one for me to try.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, it's so sweet. Wow, very nice. Wow. Well done. Nice, Susie, no? Whoa. Mwah. Albacio, this is another masterpiece. Well done, Piero. This is my pomegranate digestive liqueur. It's absolutely Albacio. Always, guys, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.